I got 3 new Benks cases on my table, Benks cases for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, guys. This is something new. This is the VitaPro phone case. I have it in white and also in black. And then of course, some of the classics redesigned. I'm, by the way, already using my iPhone 16 Pro Max with the Benks case because, guys, those cases are really very good. And I have this also on my S24 Ultra. But let's remove this and let's start with the VitaPro. Time for unboxing. All right, here we go, guys. And this is the latest Benks VitaPro phone case. Now, let me turn it on the back and tell you guys, this feels very firm to the touch. And yes, this is vegan leather, you can see here, but Benks have their own take on this one. Inside, we have microfiber, right? And you can see this is very, very soft, so it's going to protect your phone. Here, we do have proper metal buttons. By the way, not glossy, very good. And here, the same, the action button as well as the volume rockers. Let's first weigh the case. All right, 38 grams. Now let me get also the black version. Ta-da! And this is the black version. Very nice microfiber inside. Here we do have the MagSafe connector that is very important. Also, you can use this for charging. Now let me tell you a bit more about this leather X thing that is created by Benks. So according to them, they did it via a meticulous process that fuses the best aspects of vegan leather and silicone. So this is both very durable, but also very flexible, as you can see, right? I can just turn it around. Now, vegan leather isn't something new, we have it all around. A lot of the phones, by the way, directly have vegan leather on their backs, right? But this really feels like a high quality product. And the idea, besides offering a very similar experience to real leather, is the fact that it should be very much more durable, also scratch resistant. And now it's time to put the white on. Yes, this really looks exquisite. The iPhone 16 Pro Max with the white VitaPro Benks case. I can just test all the buttons. Yeah, I mean, I didn't really expect anything else. It feels really like if you're touching the buttons of the phone directly, because they are really metal and premium. So this is no joke, guys. With the Benks cases, this is the feeling that you're getting. And I'm only saying this because I really use them on a daily basis. Do we have grip? I do believe so. And it's also time to test the MagSafe. Yep, I have a Benks cooler here. Absolutely sticks. So you can see this is also something that is very important, guys. We don't have MagSafes directly on our Android phones. So Benks cases on my S24 Ultra really help me with this because you can use this, but also other things like pop sockets and like wallets, everything that really sticks here. All right, removal isn't that hard. Kevlar cases are harder to get removed. Wow, the black one. The black one really looks like you don't have any case at all. Just bit more on the borders here, but honestly, guys, I really think this is looking great. And by the way, those will cost you like 20 euro. So if you get the same from Apple, you know how it goes. You're gonna pay something like 70-80 euro, guys. So again, it's your choice what you're putting on your phones, but you can see all the cutouts, everything really meticulously crafted. And here, guys, just pay attention to the level of detail. The white version, right, has these silver buttons here, and the black one has black buttons. So this is so cool, guys. You can see the cutouts here for the camera action button, right, allowing you to absolutely use it. The cutout for the camera action button is also great with the small dent here that will allow your finger to just slide. So honestly, looking good. Let me put the white version again. By the way, guys, this is pearl gray, this is black, and the other available option is light green. Honestly, this is the one that I would go with. And again, I'm calling it white, but it's really pearl gray, and you can pretty much see this, guys. Like, this is dark gray, this is light gray. It really looks very nice. Also, something very important, according to Benks, right, like this should really keep its color after a lot of usage, so this is a good promise. And now it's time for the big boy. Here we do have all the good stuff, guys. This is the polar light green version. It's available in 2 other versions, the downlight gold and the starlight blue. This, guys, here is the real thing. It's built with Kevlar fiber, so not only is this very rugged, but also you can see very lightweight with all the nice cutouts to still allow you to feel your phone inside. And guys, this MagSafe here, Yeah, strong as hell. All right, let's just weigh this. Only 24 grams. So very important, with these Kevlar cases, guys, you are gonna get phone case installation tips. Like usually how you should put it against the buttons, how you should remove it. Just make sure not to break it. Now it's time to put the phone inside. Yes! If we really got the feeling that the phone was without a case when it was in the VitaPro, here with the ArmorTint, guys, yeah. This thing here is absolutely like you're almost caseless. In the same time, you're getting 1000D protection by DuPont Kevlar, right? So it's not a random Kevlar fiber, guys. This is the good stuff. Let me show you something. This is my previous case from Benks, and you can see this one doesn't really have a texture. ArmorTint, guys, has this very nice texture. This here is the next generation of Kevlar protection, now with colors inside. On this side, you have easy access to the action button and the volume rocker. On this side, we have both buttons exposed. We have the big power button like this, but also, guys, the camera control. And on the back, we do have the USB-C port exposed together with the speaker. So if you want to go with the best design, but don't compromise on your protection, be part of the premium phone cases, guys, this is an option for you. I'm gonna leave a link down below in the video descriptions where you can go and check out those cases, and you can also use my code to get them at a better price. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks Benks for sending me those cases, guys. Please stay safe, VST over, and bye.